Okay, you already know what it is. Trading is dope, and I say hi. And on this training, this is I want to show you 7 to 8 trades inside of a 1 hour time period using the 1 minute candle entering on fair value gaps. Now it's real easy if you just going for 5 to 10, but for the more experienced scalper, um, if you experience, you get more. And then everybody got greed levels. Now over here, I'm just telling you disclaimer. So nothing is 100%, but it's pretty darn close on most days in the market. I can't say it enough. Back test, back test, back test. So you can see here at 9:37, right? This engulfing candle here, right? So I picked this at random. 9:37. There's your fair value gap, right? So as you can see, the market went up, up. Here's a fair value gap right here, right? And here's a fair value gap here, and here's a fair value gap here. And you will see on this fair value gap, the market enter, you got 17 points. This fair value gap here, you got 61 points. And these was two buys. And then here you had this was actually a sell, correction. It was actually a sell, right? So this market went down, right? And it came back into here for the sale. Now, down here, remember, you could see the market coming here, and you see the market came down here. You got a little drawdown, but you did get an entry here for a short buy for 36 points. And um, if you look here, right, this is probably the eighth one I forgot to highlight. This was a selling fair value gap. So this market went down, and then you could have an entry here, and you could see this market went down for about 101 points, right? Okay, here, down here is another one. Market went up, and you got a short buy here. This was your entry candle, and you see this wick here. It went up about 18 points. Now, coming back over here, you will see from over here, 9:37, you got an entry at 10:17 for a buy for 92 points. And then you see where this market went up. And there were even some fair value gaps over here that I didn't count. There's a fair value gap I didn't count. And sell down here, right here. And at 10:37, you got a sell for 242 points. It's just that simple. Thank you for watching. And remember, trading is dope, and I stay high.